It has been raining heavily these days, and most cases the heavy rains come in the night. Heavy rains. So today we are renovating Mama's house. Yeah, trying to make sure we reinforce the roof, we add more grass so that when it rains, it really doesn't go deep into her to hit her so bad. Yeah, she doesn't have to wake up in the night when everything is wet, at least. Yeah.
1 minute, we are looking ordinary. Next minute, extraordinary.
Hello, my good people. Today is a good day. How does that song go? And there's no sunshine, nothing but clouds, and it's dark in my heart, and it feels like a cold night. Today's a new day, but when I'm up blue skies, I almost gave up by the power that I can't explain. Fell from heaven like a shower now. I smile, even though I see I smile. I know God is working, so I smile. Guys, so we've started the process. We are cleaning the maize. We stocked it before cleaning, so we are cleaning it right about now. The absence of power doesn't make us idle. We start with whatever we can do without power. And guys, let me show you how much weevil had entered my maize. Oh my God, what is this? These weevils. Ooh, what is this? And there are many here. What is that? In most cases, when I spend a lot of time this side, those things enter my clothes before you know they have no privacy. They don't respect people's privacy. They enter everywhere. Yeah, you feel it in the bra, where everywhere. Even in the city council authority, those things can reach. Yeah, so I hired someone to help me clean, which he's doing, and he's doing a good job. Let me show you all the dirt that is coming out. All that dirt is coming out of that maize. All this dirt is coming out of that maize. Pardon me, sometimes I forget to welcome you. It's Erina TL. Welcome to this video, welcome to this vlog, welcome to this family. If you're new, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, I truly and truly appreciate you for all the love and all the support. So I have to first these weevils, no, they are on my head. Meanwhile, the glow, I feel I should maintain this formula that I'm using on my face. You guys, you can't believe I'm using aloe vera gel. I'm using shea butter, and I'm using mint. That mint is, I bought it from the Women and Children with Albinism. It has shea butter in it, it has mint, like it has different essential oils, and this is the skin that I have this morning. Maybe because it's morning, but regardless, we glow, we grow and glow. Okay, Papaya, good morning. This is one of the guys I work with. You speak to my people. You say hello.
Hello, good morning.
At least, yes. So let's continue with the work. All those bags, we have to clean them and mill them today. It could be today, but we don't know what time the power is going to come back. Yesterday we had started milling, and this is after the first stage from the hala. You can't always want when the first coating is removed. So here we are going to sort it again so that we get a very, very fine product. But for now, let us first sort the other one as we wait for power to come back. Guys, near where I work from, we have a restaurant. I was so hungry. I just got this food. I could not continue to go to Mama because someone asked me to wait for them. Here, there could be a very big customer. So I said, let me first pause. I see if I make this money so that I can make for Mama some shopping. So I'm like, instead of waiting, die with hunger to go and eat from Mama's, Let me first get something to eat. Somehow, when someone told me I should wait for them, they are coming, some part of me was like, okay, are they really going to come? I waited and waited, but all in vain, until they called like hours later and cancelled. Oh, I'm not going to be able to meet you and all that. So I'm like, what can I do? There is no power, nothing to do. Why don't I go and check on my family? So I'm on my way. So it's quite distant from the village center, like our mini town, our village town. Does it make sense? Say town, village town. Okay, our village towns like center or stuff like that. I hope you understand me. So it's quite a distance, and to reach somewhere you branch off. And guys, there is something coming about the village. When I left the place like this, because I was starting to get tensed up, the person I was supposed to meet didn't come, there is no power, one of the machines is down, I can't finish my order on time. Like I was just starting to panic. I'm like, this is the perfect time, since even the meeting is cancelled, let me go to mama. I've just reached home. How are you? I'm okay. Enkuba yabayisize ete. Enkuba yatubisa okay. Guys, I've just reached here. I've just reached home. Guys are excited. Mama jangu ovuzeko ku bantu bano. Babuzeeko bagambe how are you?
How are you? Webale kumbeyo.
Amina. Abantu no bakutumira nabagamba mama uli oluzungu.
Mpulira mu katono.
Nabagamba waliwo omukyala yanzikiriza obeerewo bwe banaye ne bansanyukirako. I'm telling her that I told people, I made a video and told you people that someone hosted me and you guys were happy for me. How is he? Mami enkuba yabayisize etya?
Enkuba yatubisako ku bulungi. Yayingidde muku.
Kati wano waterera bulungi.
Waterera muku era lasa muku. Ya mpone.
Enkuba yatonyola bange tonya kubati.
Nga boyisa. Era ndikuyisa kunanga kiri kubedu kabedu.
We pray that all is well. She was really affected because all things are out for drying, and she has just cut grass. Her and the husband, she tells me, I've just cut grass that is going to go up, so that it didn't affect them that much, but some things got wet, so we are going to get this grass and put up there. Knock. See how they get dirty. They always, even if they bathe in the morning, they're going to sit down like that, play in the mud and get dirty. I ate food the other day and it really affected my stomach. I'm like, no, I have to just go home and cook good food and eat. I found mama when she's preparing porridge. Wadu wakafumba buji. Ndesemo omugundi. When we get something, we have to share with, because we live as a community. So he's taking for our grandmother. Yeah, because we have to share. Come, Ida. One. Not for them something. Ida. Ida. Guys, now that I'm home, I don't need to cover my hair. I just cover it when I'm going to work because I don't want it to get dirty. As you go and bathe, you see how you're looking. It is just early morning and you see how you are looking. You go and bathe. Huh? Naka. Okay, let her finish, then you go and bathe. You come back, let her finish. Nako onabya bulungi. Mwino naba ne musiba nga munyirira nga mulabika bulungi.
Ayo afuse ebigere.
Mubuli kaseera mwagala kubanga musiwuse. Look at you.
Mama. Niko na mama nsemfumu seino.
Yeah, I'm the police officer in this swamp. I keep law and order. I give them order. I should never find them when they have not. Look at Julius. The way he has been playing in mud. And Mama was in the garden. Guys, I don't know, African moms are so fun. Did you see where she put for him to bathe in the open, and the guy is like, no, I'm not going to bathe from here, I need some privacy. Even if it were me, I would not bathe from there open like that. I would need some privacy. Olaba kati nga wonyiriddemu. Onaabe kati ogenda naabirawa? Eh? Ogenda naabirawa? This one doesn't want to bathe. Eh? Eri eyo? Kati otudde butuuzi. Naye olabika kati oyagala kunaaba. Eh? We're just going to have porridge. And in Africa we say if you go somewhere and you find them eating, it means you were not born. Tewazaalibwa ku njala. Is that how it's said? Mama, okimanyiko ekyo naawe nti n'ogenda n'ogende wantu n'osanga nga balya oba tewazaalibwa ku njala. So even me, I'm a blessed person. It's a blessed thing. I just want them when the porridge is ready. They're just going to eat. And I joined, but me, I don't take hot porridge, so I have to add water. And I don't have the patience of waiting until it cools. No. The best trick of having someone to bathe is when you tell them you're not going to appear in my video. The way he's bathing. So that's another trick. If I tell them to do something and they're like, they're dealing, I'm like, you're not going to be in my video. And they just want to be in the video all the time. So I'm like, if you don't want to bathe, you're not going to be in my video. The way he's scrubbing himself. Hey. Finally, someone has finished bathing. Came for washing utensils. I know kola oba ine emputu sitajabera mukwano gwange. Guys, time for working. Guys, because these days the rain is too much. It rains like heavily and heavily, so we really needed to reinforce the roof. Mama and the husband, the man in blue is his husband. English, where are you? He's her husband. Yeah, that's Mama's husband. He's trying to reinforce the roof. He's a very, very hardworking man. Very, very hardworking. So he was somewhere working on somebody's farm. He saw as if it was threatening to rain, and he rushed back home to make sure that he reinforces the roof. Wow, this is so good. This is so good. Kati yabaki amatoka n'ebinyebwa ebaki ogenda linnya waggulu baneeta osuula ennyumba n'otambulira okwo waggulu okwo naye bannange
ndaya nina ndakuweereza
kati Julius wonyiridde owulira otya? Owulira weetakula mulabi
owulira otya?
baneeta tugwira banaye mugwere naba tuli awo ojja sibira mu nju ddu. Nainaka Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you watched up to this point, I really appreciate. Tell a friend to tell another friend to come and check out Erin. Subscribe